Surely understand that some people never grow. They never learn a lesson, but life keeps moving on. Let them recognize mistakes, acknowledge their own faults. They never admit whenever they are wrong. So that encourage me to stay focused and strong. I always throw my heart back to the place where it belongs. And that is why I'm starting, cause deep down I'm feeling raw. And I'm healing myself and I trust in God's words. I try to stay humble, but it takes a lot of guts. And now I'll give my all, even though I have none. I give praises to myself because my mind is on the run. And my talent is raw, but I use it all for fun. And yes, I try to be myself, but people don't allow me to. I try to build my life and that's it I will never do. They keep on wishing that I fall in everything I do. And so I just went quiet, surviving is all I do. Bro, all I ever done is the proof of what I do. I keep raising my voice and you got a problem too. I keep on hustling because I got nothing to lose. I prefer to walk alone even though I got salute. I can't control my mouth cause my emotions are too rich. And I am nothing but water because I practice what I preach. The song is dedicated to all poor and rich. This is the tough life and it ain't coming with no tricks. I'm slowly fighting out of the dark, but it is hard to know nothing is coming easy. But somewhere I have to start. I'm getting irritated but your love gives me the spark. And I got through it all by the mighty grace of God. Some people might think they can destroy me with my past, but I will show them all that my life is changing fast. Prosperity I'm giving you will always come last. And I will be the future, that is where my focus are. I was part of the ghetto, don't allow it to divine. My bright beauty future that I'm loading with a smile. Circumstances might come, but I will keep my head high. And that is what I do, I'm really swagging my pride. And now blessings up down my head, from my feet underneath. Now devil will be allowed to speak. It's incomplete, I'm not an angel, but I am just a normal human being. So stop, believe that you have control over me. My fight appreciated, I got everything I need. To start off my labels because I always succeed. My faith carries precious and yes, I always find my feet. Bow down for you one and only my and queen. Now I continue with my writing cause I'm following my dream. Unspoken words in part of my reality. I refuse to give up, I don't give up on what I seek. And I can get emotional, emotions make you weak.
Oh yeah.